In this video, we're going to paint the walls. If you're painting your walls and ceiling at the same time, always start with the ceiling because then any splatters from the ceiling that go onto the walls are covered when the walls get painted. What you need to paint the walls is an extension pole, dust sheet or canvas, a stirrer stick, a paint tray and a paint kettle, a cutting in brush, goggles or glasses, masking tape, a large roller frame and sleeve, your chosen paint and some old clothes and maybe some overalls if you have them. Before you crack open the paint, make sure your surfaces are all fully prepped and then you're ready to go. For best results, you can remove your plug socket and light switches. If not, you can mask these off. Like this. Meet in the middle. Then wrap them up like a little present. And then, there we go. I think that's the best thing I've done so far. If you're not painting the woodwork, you can also mask this off too. So before you start painting the wall, you want to cut in the corners and ceilings and above the skirting. Make sure you've got loads of paint on your brush because if not, it's just really patchy. Get in all nice and close to the tape with a steady hand. So if you're not painting the skirting and you've got masking tape down, try and keep a steady line and keep it really neat and keep the tape pressed down so nothing seeps under the tape. But obviously it doesn't matter if you paint the tape, that's what it's there for. Once this is done, load up your roller and get rolling. Sounds so good. You can do this in a W shape. It's best to do all the wall at once to avoid any patches. 2 coats is always best and leave about 4 to 6 hours in between each go. Now your wall is dry, all that's left to do is remove your dust sheets and wash up your rollers and brushes. I hope you found this video useful. Click to subscribe for more decorating tips.